In preparation for my cross-country move, I wanted to have a really good set of straps to hold my bike in place. After a lot of research, I decided to go with the Rhino motorcycle tie-down kit. The motorcycle tie-down kit comes with a bag, stickers, 2 ratchets, 2 straps, and 2 soft loops. Each kit costs $29.97 with Prime shipping, and as always, the link is in the description. I ended up purchasing 2 kits so that I can strap down the front and the rear of my bike. If you check out Rhino's Amazon page, they often are running sales on their products. I ended up getting 10% off because I bought 2 items. This made them cheaper than buying the 4-strap kit. In the box, you get instructions on how to use the straps. There is also a lifetime warranty card inside with instructions on how to activate your warranty. The ratchets come with a nice American flag attached to them. The straps are made of an extremely strong and thick material. The soft loops are also made of the same material. There's a lot of stitching for strength on both the straps and the soft loops. To strap my bike down, I use the Canyon Dancer for the handlebars. There's a strap that comes off of the Canyon Dancer that I can hook on the ratchet straps too. Now, one of the questions you might be asking yourself is, why would I spend $29 on 2 ratchet straps when I can get 4 of them from Harbor Freight for $20? And then you can use a 20% off coupon and get it for even less. My answer to that question is durability, the build quality. You know, you can use ratchet straps from Harbor Freight for things that don't really matter or not going to handle a lot of weight. But if you're going to put a $14,000 motorcycle and rely on it holding, you want the peace of mind that you have high quality. So with these 2 straps, this side is the Rhino strap and this side is a Harbor Freight strap. They look to be about the same. They're about the same dimensions, a little bit different release. But when you look closer, everything about the Rhino strap is bigger. The metal is thicker. The little pin right here is thicker and it's secure. This one you can see it wobbling around on the Harbor Freight. The little spring here, also thicker on the Rhino. The grip, this is more of like a plastic grip and this one is more of like a rubber feel. Flipping over to the back side, you can see the difference in the stitching. The Harbor Freight stitching is only about 1.5 inches, whereas the Rhino is about 3 inches. Then you get to the clips. Which clip do you want to use? One that actually latches and looks good, or one that just clips on and does the job barely? It has the possibility of coming off because it is at an angle. So with this, the thickness is also another big thing. So you could see the Rhino strap is almost as thick as both of those, just in one strap. So this would be much stronger. And then the strap. The thickness in the strap is substantially different. The Rhino straps have a brake strength of 5,200 pounds, whereas the Harbor Freight has a brake strength of 3,000 pounds. So enough with the ratchets. Let's get to the actual straps. So here again, you got the same clips, same attachment points, same small stitching. Now, even if Rhino stitching was the same length, the material that they use for the stitching is probably 2 to 3 times thicker than what is in the Harbor Freight. And you can even tell on the side here, when you compare the widths, there's a big difference in the widths. So overall, you can use the Harbor Freight one. Yes, it will work, but will it give you the peace of mind that you actually want? And that's why I went with the Rhino straps, for the peace of mind, the durability, the build quality, and just simply, you know they work. They're tested. On top of the price difference, the Rhino straps also come with straps to attach on so you don't have to put the hooks directly onto your motorcycle or vehicle. That makes a big difference. Those by themselves are $16. This is how the straps look once the bike is completely strapped down. In my opinion, the only downside that I see with this kit is that the straps are too long. I would prefer them to be shorter, around 4 feet max, because once you add the ratchet on to the end, you're really only using about 2 feet of the strap. I had a difficult time managing the extra strap that was not in use. I would love to see them come out with a shorter kit that has the same weight specifications. Be on the lookout for my post-move follow-up video on how these straps worked for my 2,200-mile road trip. Thanks for watching. If any part of this video was helpful to you, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Subscribe to see more upcoming projects. Thanks again for watching.